Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide Your Tech channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can follow people on TikTok. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on in the screen, where you can see follow icon at right side. You can follow simply from here as well, but if you want to follow any particular people or account, you simply need to search for the name or any, let's say, address and say so. Now you can see the accounts. Simply tap over there, and now you can see the follow button over here. You simply need to click over there and you'll be able to follow the particular person successfully. So basically this is how you can follow people on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.